fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey of becoming debt free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck in May and going over our second paycheck. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So for our paycheck from May the 2nd through May the 8th, in the expense category, we budgeted $1,000 for a mortgage, $204.60 for our utilities, $200 for Chase, $48 for our gym fee, $21.59 for Adobe, $14.40 for Google LLC, $12.99 for Canva Pro, and $12.95 for Kindle Unlimited. That came up to a total of $1,514.53. In our actual category, we paid $100 on our mortgage, $204.60 on our utilities, $357.04 toward our Chase card, which was an overage of $157.04, $48 on our gym fee, $21.59 on Adobe, $14.40 on Google LLC, $12.99 on Canva Pro, and $12.95 on Kindle Unlimited. That came up to a total of $1,671.57, which was an overage of $157.04. We budgeted $630 on our cash envelope, $675 on our sinking funds, $100 on our savings challenges, $150 on our backup funds, $100 on Navy Federal, and $50 on our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,005. In our actual category, we spent $570 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $60. $675 in our sinking funds, $100 in our savings challenges, $150 in our backup funds, $100 toward Navy Federal, and $50 in our extra backup money. That came up to $1,645, which was a difference of $60. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $3,518.36, minus the expenses of $1,514.53, minus the cash envelopes of $630, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenge of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus Navy Federal of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $298.83. In our actual category, our income was $3,518.36, minus the expenses of $1,671.57, which was an overage of $157.04, minus the cash envelopes of $560, which was a difference of $60, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus Navy Federal of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $201.79, which was a difference of $97.09. In our budget from May the 9th through the 15th, in the expense category, we budgeted $190.20 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $29.75 for Terminix, $26.99 for Netflix, $16.15 for Audible, $15.25 for YouTube Premium, $14.16 for Google Tidal, and $4.96 for Globe Life. That came up to a total of $368.86. We budgeted $590 for our cash envelopes, $375 for our sinking funds, $90 for our savings challenges, $90 for our backup funds, $90 for Navy Federal, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,255. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,623.86, minus the expenses of $368.86, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $375, minus the savings challenges of $90, minus the backup funds of $90, minus Navy Federal of $90, and minus our extra backup money of $20. That left a zero base balance. So fam, that is how we did on our budget last week. We did pay a little extra on our Chase Bank, and that came out of our debt snowball. And if you notice that I'm not putting the full amount toward our debt snowball, it's because I have another surgery coming up. So I'm taking that money and putting it toward that surgery because I do have to pay out of pocket for that surgery, as well as get a hotel room for that night and pay for gas there and food. Also, after we leave my appointment the next day, that Friday, we will be driving to Mississippi to meet my sister halfway to pick my mom up and bring her back home. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and join the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.